Okay, good morning, everybody. Today we are going to talk about lesson 82 and lesson 83. Both of this lesson is talking about something called around. As usual, in each session, we will see the vocab in this lesson. The vocab in this lesson is talking about only one word. This word is called round. Round. What's the meaning of round? Round is a way to estimate or tell about how many. So round is not an exact number. It estimate. Like in this example, how many cookies are in the jar? This toy want to count the number of cookies in this jar. This toy called us. There are about 20 cookies in the jar. About. It's not the exact number. 20 is not the exact number, but it's about. So when you see the word about, it's mean round. The word about, it's mean round. We have an easy way to round the number. We will see we have two kinds of numbers. We have sad numbers and we have happy numbers. The sad numbers is from 0 to 4. It's poor numbers. From 0 to 4, it's called sad numbers or poor numbers. And we have happy numbers. It's from 5 to 9. It's called happy numbers or rich number. So we have two kinds of numbers. In the beginning, we have two kinds of numbers, sad numbers or happy numbers. Sad numbers is from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's called sad numbers or poor numbers. And we have rich number from 5 to 9. It's called happy numbers or rich number. In the beginning, we will see round to the nearest 10. How to round the numbers to the nearest 10. We have some steps to round the numbers. We will see these steps and I will give you some examples to solve it. Here we have 26. We want to round 26 to the nearest 10. Okay, this will be the steps to solve this kind of examples. Step number 1, underline the place are rounding to. Here we want to round to the nearest 10, so I will put line under the number in the 10 place. It will be the first step. So here we want to round to the nearest 10, so we will put underline. Here we will put line under the number in the 10th place. It will be the first step. Step number 2, circle number to the right. Here we will make a circle around the number to the right to this place. Here we will make a circle around 6. So from the beginning, step number 1, put line under the number in the 10th place. Here we have 2 in the 10th place. We will make line under 2. This will be step number 1. Step 2, make a circle around the number in the right. This will be step number 2. Step 3, we will stop here for a moment and we will see the number we circled. It's poor or rich? 6. It's poor number or rich number? 6 is rich number. So what we are going to do when we see the number here, we circled, here's this number. If we circle a number and we found this number is a rich number, what we are going to do, we will add 1 here. We will add 1 here. So 2 will not be 2. 2 will be 3, like that. 2 will be 3. So again, from the beginning, first step, we'll put a line around the number. We put a line under the number we want to round it. Like this. We'll put line under 2. This will be step number 1. Step 2, we will circle or we will make a circle around the number to the right. This will be step number 2. Step number 3, we will check the number we circle. We will check it. If this number is rich or poor, 6 is a rich number. So what 6 will do, 6 will add 1 to 2. So 2 will not be 2 here in the answer. 2 will be 3. And the last step, we will cancel 6. We will cancel this number like that and put 0. So the answer will be 30. Another example here. 62. We want to round 62 to the nearest 10. Step number 1, we'll put a line under 6 because here we want to round to the nearest 10. So 6 here in the 10th place, we'll put a line under 6. This will be step number 1. Step 2, we will make a circle around the number in the right. This will be step number 2. And here we will stop to check 2. 2 is a rich or poor? No, 2 is a poor number. 2 can't add 1 here. So what we are going to do, we will write 6 here in the answer and cancel 2 and put 0 from the beginning. First step, put a line under 6. Why we will put a line under 6 and we don't put this line under 2? Because here we want to round to the nearest 10. When we want to round to the nearest 10, we will put line under the 10th place. The number in the 10th place, we will put a line under 6. It will be step number 1. Step 2, we will make a circle in the number to the right. Here, we'll make a circle here. And we will stop a moment to check 2. 2 is a rich number or poor number? 2 is a poor number. 2 can't add 1 here because 2 is a poor. Can't add 1 to 6. So what we are going to do, we will write 6 here without any change and cancel 2. This will be the last step. We will cancel 2 and write 0. Another example. Round to the nearest 10 by the same way. We will make a line under 8 and make a circle around 4. And we will stop to check. We want to check 4 is a rich number or poor number. No, 4 is a poor number. If the number to the right is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can read here, then the underlying number stays the same. The underlying number will stay the same. So here we are going to write 8, will be the same without any change here. And the last step, to cancel 4 and write 0. This is fixed step. All the time we will cancel this number here and write 0. Another example. 78, we want to round 78. Step number 1, underline the number in the 10th place because here we want to round to the nearest 10. So we'll make a line under 7. This will be step number 1. And make a circle around 8. And stop here to check. 8 is a rich number or poor number? 8 is a rich number. So what we are going to do here, we want to add 1 to 7. We will put 1 here to 7. So 7 will be 8. And what we are going to do in the last step tell us to cancel 8. We will cancel 8 and put 0. All the time we will cancel this number here and put 0. Another example, 19. We want to round 19 to the nearest 10. Step number 1, we will put a line under 1. And make a circle around 9. Here we are going to make a circle around 9. And we will stop to check. We want to check 9. Rich number or poor number? 9 is from rich number. So what we are going to do when we see a number reach like 9, we will add 1 here. We will put 1 here, another 1 here to this one. So 1 will not 1. 1 will be 2. And the last step, to cancel 9, we will cancel 9 and put 0. Like that. So the final result will be 20. Here we round. We round 19 to the nearest 10. We round 19 to the nearest 10. 41. We want to round 41. Hamza. Hamza?
Hello?
Hi, Hamza. Can you tell me 41 round to the nearest 10? Can you tell me the answer? When we round 41 to the nearest 10?
That will be 50.
What?
That will be 50.
No. No.
Okay.
Omar? Omar?
Hello.
Hi, Omar. Can you tell me 41, when we round 41 to the nearest 10, can you tell me the answer?
40.
41 will be?
40.
40, very good. Thank you, Omar. Okay, Omar, tell me the answer when we round 41 to the nearest 10 will be 40. We will see, we will check. First step, we'll put a line under the 10 place here. We'll put a line under 4. This will be the first step. Step number 2, we'll make a circle around 1. Step number 3, we will stop for a moment to check 1. 1 is a rich number or poor number. 1 is a poor number. So 1 can't add 1 here. Hamza, 1, this 1, can't add 1 to 4. We can't add 1 here. So what we are going to do, we will write 4. We will write 4 here. And the last step, to cancel 1 and write 0. Like that. Okay. I want to ask Hamza again. Hamza. Hamza.
Okay.
91. I want to round 91 to the nearest 10. The answer will be, Hamza?
90.
90. Very good. Thank you, Hamza. So Hamza now correct his mistake and tell me that 91 will be 90. How Hamza knows that? First, Hamza put a line under 9. This will be the first step. Step number 2, he circle 1. So we will put a line and circle 1 and check 1. 1 is a rich number or poor number. 1 is poor number. So 9 will stay the same. We write 9 here. And the last step, to cancel 1, we will cancel 1 and put 0. So this is the last example in round numbers to the nearest 10. These are the steps to round numbers to the nearest 10. Now we are going to see how to round numbers to the nearest 100. The same steps, but with a little bit of change. Here, we want to round to the nearest 100. First step, we will put a line under the number in the 100 place. Here, we want to round to the nearest 100. So I will put a line under the number in the 100 place. This will be the first step. Step 2, we will put a circle around the number to the right, like what we do in the round to the nearest 10. Step 3, we will stop to check. 1 is a rich number or poor number. 1 here is a poor number. So 4 will be the same. Like that. So from the beginning. Step 1, we will put a line under the number in the 100 place, not in the 10, because here we want to round to the nearest 100. So I will put a line under the number in the 100 place. Step 2, we will make a circle to the number in the right. Circle the number to the right. This will be step number 2. And we will stop for a moment to check. We will stop to check. 1 is rich number or poor number. 1 is poor number. So 4 will be the same. The number we underlined here, this number will be the same without any change. And the last step, here we will cancel 2 numbers like that. We will cancel 2 numbers together. We will cancel both of these numbers and write to 0. So again, from the beginning, step number 1, we will put a line under the number in the 100 place. This will be step number 1. Step 2, we will make a circle around 1. We will make a circle around the number in the right. Step number 3, we will stop to check. Here, we want to check 1. 1 is a rich number or poor number. 1 is poor number. So 4 will be the same without any change. And the last step, to cancel 2 numbers, we will cancel 1 and 9. We will cancel 1 and 9. We will cancel both of this number. And write to 0. Okay, another example. 548. Step number 1, we will put a line under 5, the number in the 100 place. This will be step number 1. We'll put a line under the number in the 100 place. Step 2, we will put a circle around the number to the right. And stop to check. 4 is a rich number or poor number. So 4 is a poor number. So 5 will be the same. This number here, 5, will be the same without any change. 5 will be the same. We'll write 5 here without any change here. And the last step, we will cancel these 2 numbers together. We will cancel 4 and 8. We will cancel both of this number together and write to 0. Okay, I want to ask Karim. Karim. Okay, I think Karim can't hear. Yeah, say Layan. Layan? Layan?
Yes.
Layan?
Yes.
Layan, I want you to solve this example. Round to the nearest 100. 673. What we are going to do, Layan?
We will underline 6.
Very good. This will be step number 1. We will put line under 6. Okay, I will make it. Step 2.
And then we will make circle on 7.
We will make circle on what? 7 or 3?
7.
7. Very good. We will make circle around 7.
And then we will stop.
Yeah.
To know
7
is
rich or poor?
rich.
So what do you think? 7 is rich or poor?
Reach.
Reach, very good. So 7 is reach number. So what we are going to do when we found number is reach? What we are going to do?
We will put 1 to 6.
Yeah, so we will put 1 to 6. So 6 will be?
7.
6 will be 7. Excellent. And the last step?
We will cancel 7 and 3
We will cancel 7 and 3
and put 0.
and put 1 0 or 2 0?
2 0.
2 0. So the answer will be, can you read this number?
700.
700. Very good. Thank you, Lian. Thank you. So Lian, tell me that when we round 673, the answer will be 700. How Lian do this? I will make it again from the beginning. Lian, put a line under 6. Why Lian put a round under 6? Why she didn't put a line under 7 or 3? Because here we want to round to the nearest 100. Here we want to round to the nearest 100. So 6 is a number in the 100 place. So we will put a line under 6 because 6 is a number in the 100 place. This will be step number 1. Step 2, we will make a circle around the number to the right. Here, 7. We will make a circle around the number to the right. This will be step number 2. Step number 3, we will stop to check 7 is rich or poor. We want to check 7 is rich or poor. 7 is rich number. So what we are going to do when we found number is rich, we will put 1 or we add 1 to 6. So 6 will be 7. And the last step is to cancel 7 and 3 and put 2 0. Like that. Okay. Another example, and I want to choose. I don't know who is this, but we can check. Yes, who? Who are you?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim. How are you, Ibrahim? Ibrahim, can you hear me?
Good. Yes.
Okay, very well. Ibrahim, can you solve this example?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me the steps to solve this example? We want to round 751 to the nearest 100. I want to round this number to the nearest 100. Can you tell me how? How can we solve this?
Put a line under 7.
Put a line under 7. Wait. Okay, I put a line for you under 7.
Circle 5.
We make a circle around 5. We want to check 5. Is rich or poor?
Reach.
Rich. So what we are going to do when we found number is rich?
We add the 1 to the 7.
We will add 1 to 7. So 7 will be?
8.
7 will be 8. Very good. And the last step is?
To cross the 2.
We will cross 5 and 1.
Yes.
And?
To put 0.
We will put 2 0. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Brian. Thank you. So again, from the beginning, as Ibrahim said to us, step number 1. Step number 1, we will put a line under 7. Why we put a line under 7? We put a line under 7 because here we want to round to the nearest 100. So I will put a line under the 100 number. It's 7. It's step number 1. Step 2, we will make a circle around the number to the right. This will be step number 2 and stop to check. 5 is rich or poor. 5 here is rich number. 5 from the rich numbers. So when we found a number from the rich numbers, we will add 1 here to 7. We'll put 1 here over 7. So 7 will be 8. 7 will change. 7 will not be 7 anymore. 7 will be 8. And we will cancel the number 5 and 1. We will cancel both of this number together in one step. We will cancel in one step and will be 20. So the final result will be 800. Another example. We want to solve. Okay. Safe.
Yes, master.
Can you solve this one, Safe? Tell me the steps, please. I want to round 929 to the nearest 100.
We will circle 9.
No. We put a line.
Underline 9, the first one.
This one or this one? This one?
Yes.
Okay. And?
Then we will circle 9.
We will circle 9? No. No. Wrong. We can't circle 9. No. When we will circle 2. When we underline this one, we will circle the number in the behind. Directly in the behind. Okay? And we will stop to check. 2. What do you think? 2 is rich number or poor number?
Poor number.
What?
Poor number.
Poor number. Very good. 2 is poor number. So what we are going to do when we found poor number? What we are going to do when we found poor number?
We will put
9
0.
or... Oh, I know we will put 0. No, I talk about 9. What do you think? 9 will it change? Will be 10 or 9 will be the same? What do you think?
The same.
The same. So 9, we will write 9 here, the same number without any change, because 2 is a poor number. And the last step, can you tell me the last step, Safe?
We will cross the 2 numbers.
We'll cross 2 and 9?
Yes. And then we will put 2 0.
We'll put 2 0. Okay, thank you, Safe. $536. We want to round 536 to the nearest Parthenia. Okay, we'll see Parthenia. Parthenia.
Yes.
Parthenia, you raise your hand. Can you solve this one?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, Parthenia. The step number 1 will be?
Under 5.
We will put a line under 5. Okay. Step 2?
Circle 3.
We will circle 3. Okay. And check 3. 3, what do you think? 3 is rich number or poor number?
3.
Yeah, 3 is rich number or poor number?
Poor number.
Okay, when we see poor number, what do you think? 5 will it change or 5 will be the same?
5 the same.
5 will be the same. So here we will write 5, the same number without any change. And the last step, it's easy step.
The 3 will be 0 and the 6 will be 0.
3 will be 0. We will cross 3 and 6 and write 2 0 here. Okay, thank you, Barsini. Very good, thank you. Okay, 761. We want to solve it. Mariam?
Mister.
Mariam?
Yes, mister.
Mariam, can you solve this one, Mariam?
We will put line under 7
We'll
And
put line
we-
under 7. Very good.
and then we will make a circle around 6
We will make a circle around 6.
and we will say and check the number
Yeah.
and then we will put 7 and make a cross.
So 6. What do you want? What do you think? What do you think? 6. 6 is poor number or rich number?
Reach.
Rich. So what? 7, will it change? This number here, will it change? Will be 8 or will be the same?
Will be 8.
Will be 8. And the last step is?
We will take a cross at 6 and 1 and we will put 2 zeros.
We'll put 2 0. Okay, thank you, Mariam. Thank you very much. Thank you. 261. We want to choose another one too. So Ahmed. Ahmed. Ahmed.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed. Can you solve this one, Ahmed?
Okay. We will put under 9 into
In 2, we'll put line under 2. This is step
and
number
we
1.
will circle 6
We will circle 6.
and
We want to check 6. Rich or poor, Ahmed? 6. Rich number or poor number?
reach.
Rich. So 2 will be the same or 2 will it change?
Will change.
Will it change to be what? 2 will be
6.
what?
6.
6? 2 will be 6? No. 2 will not be 6. When you see
3?
rich, yeah, 3, very good. When you see rich number, so here we will add 1. We will add 1 to 2. We'll put 1 here. When you see rich number, 2 will change to be 3, Ahmed. Okay? So 2 will be 3. And the last step will be, Ahmed? Last step?
Will be
What we are going to do in the last step? We will cross this 2 number. We will cross it. 6 and 1. We will cross 6 and 1.
will be
And put 2 0 here.
okay.
Like that, okay? I want another one to solve this example. Thank you, Ahmed. Karim? I think Karim can't hear me. Okay, Noor. We'll see Noor Hisham. Noor. Noor, you can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Noor, can you solve this one?
Okay.
Okay, by steps, Noor, please. Okay.
You're going under line 2.
We are under line 2. No, I will write on the. I will write here. Okay, please stop to write. Okay, I will write. We will be. We'll put a line under 2, and
Circle 6.
we will circle 6.
And then stop to check.
To check. Yeah, we want to check 6 to reach. Is rich number or poor number? 6 is rich or poor?
Reach.
Yeah, very good. So what we are going to do when we see rich number?
We're going to make to 2 3.
2 will change to be 3. And last step is?
We're going to make a line
on
Cross, we
on
will cross, we will cross, we
Yeah,
will
cross.
cancel, we will cancel, or we will cross 6 and 1. We'll cross these two numbers together, 6 and 1. And we will put, when we cancel 6 and 1, what we are going to put? The last
put
step.
2 zeros.
2 0. Very good. Thank you, Noor. Thank you. Okay, this is the last example in our session for today. Today we talk about two lessons, lesson 82 and lesson 83. Both of these lessons talk about round. In Smart School, I upload two sheets, and also I upload this presentation. I upload two sheets, sheet 18 and sheet 19. I want you to solve this two sheet and send it to me in Messenger. I will correct for you and send it to you again to see if you have any mistakes. Maybe in this week we will meet again. Maybe in Monday we will have a meeting in Monday. We will explain the rest of the rest of our curriculum. Okay, thank you.